Do not try this breakfast recipe if you have zero self-control. It's another beautiful Friday and I'm here to make your weekend a memorable one. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. We'll start by preparing what I called the gravy. In an empty mixing bowl, I am going to add 2 cups of semolina. To that, I added 1 cup of flour, instant yeast and sugar. Now pay attention. Let me answer your future questions. I am using 2 cups of semolina, so I added 1 cup of flour. If you are using 3 cups of semolina, you are going to add 1.5 cup of flour, all right? If you are using 1 cup of semolina, you are going to add 1/2 cup of flour. I hope you understand what I just said. Okay, now there are 2 ways to prepare this recipe. You can also add all the dry ingredients in the blender, add water and blend for about 5 or 10 seconds, all right? But if you don't have a blender, you can manually mix just like we are doing right now. After adding all the dry ingredients, I am going to mix. Now I'll be adding water bit by bit while we mix. I forgot to tell you that I'm using warm water, all right? Lukewarm water. Please don't use cold water, all right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, I continue to add water as I mix. Now I added baking powder and the remaining water. The list of the ingredients will be at the comment section, also at the description box, all right? Mix to combine very well. This is the consistency that I'm going for. Now I am going to cover, set it aside and allow to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's make the filling. In a dry saucepan, drizzle some oil. Once that is done, I move in with chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. These tomatoes, I planted them by myself. Yeah, these are homemade tomatoes. I added some chili pepper, seasoned with salt and dry paprika. You can add any spices of your choice. Stir to combine very well. It is time to move in with eggs. Beat the eggs very well. Spread them around as demonstrated. Once that is done, cover and allow the eggs to cook. Once the eggs cooks, it is time to stir. Go ahead and stir to combine very well. At this point, you can take it off the heat, but I finish up with some spring onion and some shredded cabbage. You can add any vegetable of your choice, all right? Once that is done, stir one more time. You should have this classy first-class egg sauce. If you are with me at this moment, type first-class egg sauce. Set it aside. Now back to the gravy. This is what it looks like. It has thickened more at this point, but it's okay. All right. Now I added some salt to taste. Stir one more time. Are we going to bake? No, we are going to fry. There is no other alternative for this. You can bake this, all right? Okay, let's continue. In a dry saucepan, drizzle some oil. Make sure that the oil is well distributed around the pan. Very important. Now it is time to move in with the batter or the gravy. Once that is done, you don't need to cover, all right? Allow to cook on its own. Beautiful shout out to you, Asifia, watching from Mumbai, India. Chidimma from Anambra. Lois, watching from Cameroon. And Hafida, all the way from Morocco. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, like I said earlier, you are going to allow the gravy to cook on its own. You can flip it as demonstrated just to make sure that it is properly cooked, just the way you make your regular pancakes, all right? Once it is ready, take it off the heat. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones, and there you have it. It is ready at this point. Look at that. I am loving it. It smells so amazing. Set it aside. Do we still remember our first class egg sauce? Time to make use of it. Let me show you how to enjoy life in a simple way. Before adding the egg sauce, you can spread a little bit of mayo. All right, this is totally optional, but if you have, you can add it. All right, add the egg filling. I top up with some shredded cabbage. You can add shredded cheese at this point. If you add shredded cheese after sealing, there is a need for you to take it back to the heat and allow the cheese to melt. Do that on low to medium heat. If you don't want to add mayo, go ahead and just add the egg filling just the way it is. Try and see if you can fold as possible as you can. And that is basically all for this recipe. Serve with tea, coffee, hot chocolate, or any beverage of your choice. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Like I said earlier, if you have zero self-control, don't even try this recipe because this can be addicted. It tasted so good. I hope you find this video helpful. Do have a lovely weekend. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.